So hello YouTube, welcome to another tutorial, and this one I'm teaching you about the Credit Karma Coinbase update. Okay, so first things first, I want you to know that this update works for only old Credit Karma accounts. I'm talking about accounts older than 6 months. Okay, it doesn't work for new accounts. All right, so once you have your old Credit Karma account and your old Coinbase account, now you have to link the Coinbase to the Credit Karma. Okay, now, for you or your clients to link the Coinbase to the Credit Karma, okay, you open the Credit Karma spend/checking account, okay, you follow that link, okay, save the logins of the Credit Karma. Now, log into your Coinbase, go to add payment method. Now, click on bank account. It will direct you to Plate. It will bring different banks. Now, search for Credit Karma. Next page will ask for your Credit Karma logins. Input the username and password of the Credit Karma. Then a code will be sent to the number on the Credit Karma. Input the code and wait for it to connect to Coinbase. Once the Credit Karma account starts showing inside the Coinbase, then we are good to go. Okay. So once you log into the Coinbase account, you have to check, okay, to confirm if the Credit Karma is linked, okay, and then you also need to confirm that your Coinbase has instant send, okay, so you can be able to cash out the BTC, okay. So this is where you confirm the instant send. If you see $0 there, okay, do not worry because you will not be able to withdraw the BTC, but you can see that's $1,000 a day, so that can work. So now proceed to buy BTC, okay. So you choose Credit Karma as your source of payments. You enter the amount of BTC you want to buy. In my case, I'm entering 3,000 USD, and then you click review order. Remember, choose Credit Karma as your source of payments because we're going to be overdrafting the Credit Karma account, okay? So once you review your order, you confirm the Bitcoin, you confirm the account, you click on buy now, okay? So order submitted, order successful. Do not close this page. Wait till you see trade successful, okay? And then you're good to go. So at this point, you probably receive an email alert confirming your Bitcoin purchase, okay? And you can actually see it on your balance. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you do not miss my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.